Hey guys, my name is Bella and today we're going over 10 things you're forgetting to clean around your kitchen. If you look around my kitchen right now, things might look pretty clean, but underneath the surface is a different story. So today I'm going to remind you of the things that you should clean pretty regularly, and I'm totally guilty of not cleaning these things too, so let's get right to it. We're gonna kick today's video off with cleaning the bottle grass. This is something that I'm always forgetting to clean. I think that it's because I'm just in a hurry washing her bottles and I want to put them all away, and then I completely neglect the bottle grass, but it gets kind of gross. So here's your reminder: if you have bottle grass, go ahead and just take it apart and wipe it down really quick. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. And before we get any further into this video, I want to mention that today's video is a collab with my sweet friend Morgan here on YouTube, and I'm gonna let her introduce herself now.
Hey, my name is Morgan from Life Happens Here. I am a mom to 3, a wife, and I love creating content that helps motivate and inspire others. I am so excited about doing this collab today with Bella. My channel does consist mostly of theme motivation. That is the main thing I focus on my channel, but I also do throw in some hauls, decorating, room makeovers, and I keep my channel very realistic as a stay-at-home mom of 3 kiddos. So if you enjoy any of those things, I'd love to have you stop by. I post consistently twice a week, every Wednesday and Saturday at 6:30 a.m. I hope to see you guys over at my channel once you're finished watching Bella's video, and I'll just see you guys there. Bye.
Make sure you head over to Morgan's channel after you're done here. She has 10 more things you can clean today, so you'll have 20 ideas. And I want to mention how inspired I am by Morgan's content. I see her post all the time, and it's so motivating to me, and I know that you will love her content as well. And if you're new here from Morgan's channel today, I want to say a special hello to you. My name is Bella. I know I mentioned that a little bit earlier, but I'm the stay-at-home mom of my sweet little 1-year-old Kennedy Jade. And here I do a lot of homemaking content as well, and we are moving. So if you're not new, you'll notice that my kitchen is looking a little more sparse, and that's because I've been packing, and that video will be up shortly.
And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
The next thing that you might be forgetting to clean are your pet bowls. I know I wouldn't want to eat out of a dirty bowl, and I know that my cat wouldn't either, so it's time to clean them. Do you have any ideas for what to clean that everyone's missing? If so, please put them in the comments, because I know that I need them, and I'm sure that everybody else could benefit from them too.
Let me love you. Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go.
And I did mention a little bit earlier that we are moving. I will link that video in the description if you missed it. I put all the details in there, but I want to thank everybody who left a sweet comment on my last video. It really means so much to us. We're very excited, and your enthusiasm for us was just so appreciated. Thank you so much. The next thing you might be forgetting to clean is the microwave. Look how dirty ours is. I can't believe that it got this bad. So I am now cleaning it out, and if you are forgetful like me and you don't have a lemon in water, which is the easiest way to clean it, my power wash and my sponge worked just fine, and there's some stuff in there that will never come out, and I went into this knowing that it's just a little old, but I'm working on having more grace for myself and not worrying about things being perfect. Now, as I'm washing off the microwave plate, I want to thank everybody so much for hanging out with me today. It means so much. I absolutely love our community. I feel like everyone on YouTube says that, but I am just so overwhelmingly grateful for every single person who has, watched, subscribed, left a comment, anything. It's so appreciated, and everybody has been so kind, and I just want to thank you. If you're like me, you're pretty good about wiping your counters every day, but how often do you wipe your cabinets? If you're, again, anything like me, sometimes that gets neglected, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe them all off.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite.
At the time that you're seeing this video, we move in exactly 11 days, and I still have some more content coming up on the channel for you. In this house, I have a nursery declutter and pack. I also have a general pack with me video, and then I'm also going to do a last cleaning video in this house. So if you don't have your notifications turned on, definitely make sure they are on, because I don't want you to miss that. It's going to be super nostalgic to just do this last clean, and then I will be doing my empty apartment tour, and I'm very excited for everybody to see that as well. Another thing you might be forgetting to clean is your oven. I know this gets neglected in our house all the time, so you're definitely not alone, but it's time to clean it out. I got my Dawn Power Wash. Let's do this. Definitely was having to work for this a little bit harder than I should have. It always gets so neglected. I'm the worst at keeping up with cleaning the oven. I'm pretty good about everything else, but it's just the oven. I don't understand why I can't keep up with it. Sometimes the stove as well. It's just really daunting, and it always just gets so dirty no matter how hard I clean it. And I actually cleaned it in a recent video, and I will link that. So hopefully me doing this can motivate you to clean your own, and I will have to watch this back when I need a little bit of motivation too. Just don't get discouraged.
And even if you're trying to hurry, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
Sorry guys, I'm getting kind of gross and sweaty. But the next thing we're gonna clean is the garbage disposal. And to help us do that, I have these little packs that I use. So I'm supposed to run hot water, but not directly into the disposal. Now that it's been a minute, I'm supposed to reduce the water pressure and then put the packet in. Sorry about the sound quality a little bit earlier. I'm gonna do the rest of this in voiceover. You stick the whole thing into the disposal, and then you turn it on, and then you'll see this blue foam coming out, and it's kind of satisfying and kind of pretty. which is weird to say for cleaning the garbage disposal, but the important thing is to remember that you have to let all that foam run and you have to keep the water on until the foam completely disappears, and it cleans your sink as it disappears, and it also cleans your garbage disposal as it disappears.
Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold.
Okay guys, show of hands on who actually keeps up with cleaning the top of their refrigerator. My hand is not up for the record, but believe it or not, I've seen the fridge look worse. There was a period of time when I moved in, Matt had never cleaned the top of it, so it was like a thick layer of dirt. I wish I had actually been doing YouTube at that time because that would have been really motivating. Alright you guys, I know I'm not alone in this one. It's hard to keep up on cleaning the high chair. I wipe it down after every single time that she eats, but I don't take off the pad and all that every single time because there's no point. She eats 3 times a day and makes a huge mess when she does it. I'm gonna take a minute to clean this off and I'm gonna show you just how bad it gets. You are not alone, mama.
So keep on dancing, baby.
How often do you guys clean your high chairs? Like actually deep clean your high chairs? I tend to go for every week, but clearly I should be doing it a little more often.
You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Soon I'm climbing up 4 walls in my apartment. I can't spend another second with my brain. Gotta get up and get out, but there's a problem.
The second to last thing that you might be forgetting to clean is your toaster. It has a crumb trap on the bottom, and for the longest time I didn't know that. And you have to clean it out pretty regularly because it gets kind of gross. As you can see, I was struggling a little bit with opening the crumb trap, but I eventually got it. My question for you guys is, what content do you want to see? I'm always open for requests. I want to clean things that you guys need motivation on, and I want to remind everybody that my comments are always open and I read every single one, and I am so appreciative when I see them. I love chatting and responding and seeing all of your comments. It really makes my day. And now for the last thing that you might be forgetting to clean, and this might just be our house. I know that not everybody has a water cooler, but if you do, definitely take a minute and wipe it down. It gets so dusty, and I actually opened the door and cleaned inside there too, and there was a little bit of dust in there. I don't know how it got in there, but here is your reminder to wipe it down.
Where'd you go, babe? Can't you see that I need company? I'm losing it, losing my...
I had so much fun with today's video. I know it was a little bit of a different vibe with the deeper cleaning, but I still tried to keep it very much a clean with me video, and I hope that I can motivate you to do a little bit of deep cleaning around your house. It's always good for your mental health and always good for your physical health too, having everything clean. For me personally, I always build this up in my mind and I make it such a bigger task than it actually is, and then when I get to it, it doesn't even take that long. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you head over to Morgan's channel for double the cleaning motivation today. And please make sure that you're subscribed and have all of your notifications turned on, because I don't want you to miss any of the awesome content coming up. Until then, have a great day, guys.